Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Conversation. I'm John, and I'm so glad you're here with us today.
And I'm Olivia. Today we're exploring two words that seem similar but have completely different meanings, too and very.
Many learners think these words are interchangeable, but they're not. Saying this is too good versus this is very good sends completely different messages.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly when to use too, when to use very, and why the difference matters so much.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation. We make confusing English topics crystal clear with practical explanations.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our helpful lessons. Understanding distinctions like this makes your English sound natural.
All right, let's dive in. First, what's the fundamental difference between too and very?
Here's the simple but crucial rule. Very simply intensifies. It makes something stronger or more extreme, but it's neutral.
Too means excessively or more than needed or wanted. It always has a negative feeling. It's a problem.
Think of very as just emphasis, stronger, more intense. Think of too as a problem, excessive, more than good.
That's the core difference. Very is neutral intensity. Too is negative excess.
Let's explore very in detail first. This word intensifies adjectives and adverbs.
Very means to a high degree or extremely. It just makes things stronger without suggesting a problem.
This coffee is very hot. The coffee is extremely hot. That's just a fact. No problem implied.
She's very smart. She's extremely intelligent. Positive statement, no issue.
The movie was very long. It was extremely long. Neutral observation, not necessarily bad.
I'm very tired. Extremely tired. Statement effect, no problem suggested.
Very simply amplifies the adjective or adverb. It says, this quality is strong.
You can use very with positive adjectives. Very good, very beautiful, very happy, very successful.
You can use very with negative adjectives. Very bad, very ugly, very sad, very difficult.
You can use very with neutral adjectives. Very big, very small, very hot, very cold.
Very just makes the quality stronger. It doesn't add judgment about whether that's a problem.
Now let's explore too. This word has a completely different meaning.
Too means excessively or more than necessary or desirable. It always suggests a problem or negative consequence.
This coffee is too hot. The heat is excessive. It's a problem. You can't drink it. You might burn yourself.
She's too smart. This sounds strange because being smart isn't usually a problem, but it could mean too smart for her own good, suggesting her intelligence causes issues.
The movie was too long. The length was excessive. It's a problem. It was boring or exhausting.
I'm too tired. The tiredness is excessive. It's preventing you from doing something. It's a problem.
Too always implies that something is more than the right amount, causing a negative result.
You can often add too plus verb after too to show what problem it causes.
The coffee is too hot to drink. Too hot, so you can't drink it. Clear problem.
I'm too busy to talk right now. Too busy, so you can't talk. The excess causes inability.
The test was too difficult to pass. Too difficult, so people couldn't pass. Excessive difficulty.
This structure makes the problem very clear. Too plus adjective plus too plus verb.
Now let's directly compare too and very to see the difference clearly.
The soup is very hot. Just extremely hot. Neutral fact. Might be exactly what you want.
The soup is too hot. Excessively hot. Problem. You can't eat it yet. You might burn your mouth.
This dress is very expensive. Extremely expensive. Neutral observation about price.
This dress is too expensive. Excessively expensive. Problem. You can't afford it or won't buy it.
He speaks very quickly. Extremely quickly. Neutral fact about his speaking speed.
He speaks too quickly. Excessively quickly. Problem. You can't understand him.
She's very young. Extremely young. Neutral fact about her age.
She's too young. Excessively young. Problem. Too young for something specific. A job, a movie, an activity.
See the huge difference? Very is just observation. Too is always a problem.
Let's look at too with different sentence structures to understand it fully.
Structure 1. To plus adjective slash adverb. Problem implied but not stated.
This room is too small. Problem, not enough space, uncomfortable.
You're driving too fast. Problem, dangerous, might get a ticket.
She arrived too late. Problem, missed something, caused inconvenience.
Structure 2. To plus adjective slash adverb plus to plus verb. Problem explicitly stated.
This box is too heavy to carry. Problem, can't carry it.
I'm too busy to talk right now. Too busy, so you can't talk. The excess causes inability.
The instructions are too complicated to understand. Problem, can't understand.
All these structures emphasize that to creates a negative consequence.
Now let's discuss very with different word types.
Very with adjectives, very beautiful, very difficult, very expensive, very small.
She's very beautiful. The test was very difficult. The car is very expensive.
Very with adverbs, very quickly, very slowly, very carefully, very well.
He works very quickly. She drives very carefully. They speak English very well.
Very can also modify much or many for emphasis.
Very much. I like it very much. Thank you very much.
But you can't use very with all adjectives. Some adjectives are already extreme.
Wrong. Very excellent. Right. Excellent alone. Or absolutely excellent.
Wrong, very perfect. Right, perfect alone or absolutely perfect.
Excellent, perfect, terrible, wonderful, awful. These are already extreme. Don't use very.
Now let's look at to in different contexts and meanings.
Too meaning excessive, what we've been discussing. Too hot, too expensive, too difficult.
To meaning also, completely different meaning.
I like pizza. I like pasta too. Here, too means also. Different word.
She's coming to the party. I'm coming too. To equals also or as well.
Context makes it clear. To at the end of a sentence usually means also. To before an adjective or adverb means excessive. Different positions, different meanings.
Now let's tackle common mistakes learners make with to and very.
Mistake 1. Using to when you mean very. Wrong. This is too good, unless you mean it's problematically good.
If you mean extremely good with no problem, say, this is very good, much more natural.
Mistake 2. Using very when you need to. Wrong. I'm very tired to go out. Right. I'm too tired to go out.
If there's a problem, can't do something, you need to, not very.
Mistake 3. Overusing to with positive situations. The weather is too beautiful. Sounds strange.
Beautiful weather isn't usually a problem. Say, the weather is very beautiful, or just beautiful.
Mistake 4. Forgetting that to always implies negativity. You're too kind can sound like their kindness is a problem.
Very stylish is extremely stylish, positive fact. Too expensive is excessively expensive, problem, can't buy.
Scenario 3. Work discussion. The deadline is very tight, but I think we can make it. Actually, I think it's too tight. We need an extension.
Very tight is extremely tight, challenge but manageable. Too tight is impossibly tight, problem, need extension.
Scenario 4. Movie review. The movie was very long, 3 hours. But for me, it wasn't too long because the story was engaging.
Very long is extremely long, neutral fact. Not too long is not excessively long, no problem despite the length.
These examples show how choosing the right word completely changes your meaning.
Let's discuss the degree of intensity, comparing to and very.
Very can be intensified with additional words. Very, very, extremely, incredibly, really.
It's very, very hot. It's extremely hot. It's incredibly hot. All just intensifying, no problem.
Too can also be intensified. Much too, far too, way too.
It's much too hot. It's far too expensive. This is way too difficult, emphasizing the excess or problem.
Much too is stronger than just too. It emphasizes the severity of the problem.
This is too expensive is can't afford it. This is much too expensive is absolutely no way can afford it.
Now let's look at responses using to and very.
When someone says it's very cold, you can agree, yes, it's very cold indeed. Neutral agreement.
When someone says it's too cold, you can agree, I know, it's too cold to go out. Agreement about problem.
Or you can disagree. Really? I think it's fine. You don't see it as too much or a problem.
Very statements are observations. You can agree or not. Too statements are judgments. You can share the concern or not.
Let's explore not to. This creates an interesting meaning.
Not to plus adjective means not excessively or acceptable, moderate amount.
It's not too expensive. It's affordable, acceptable price, not a problem.
I'm not too tired. My tiredness is manageable, not excessive. I can still do things.
The test wasn't too difficult. It was manageable, not excessively hard.
Not too actually becomes slightly positive. It means things are acceptable.
Compare it's not very expensive is it's somewhat cheap. It's not too expensive is it's affordable, okay price.
Subtle difference. Not very is low degree. Not too is acceptable degree.
Here are memory tricks to remember the difference.
Trick 1. Remember too equals trouble. If there's trouble or a problem, use too.
Too hot is trouble drinking. Too expensive is trouble affording. Too is trouble.
Trick 2. Remember very is vanilla. It's plain intensification, no special flavor of problem.
Very hot is plain fact about temperature. Very expensive is plain fact about price. Just vanilla observation.
Trick 3. Ask yourself, is this a problem? Yes, use too.
Can't drink the coffee because of temperature is problem. Too hot.
The coffee is extremely hot is observation, very hot.
Try adding to plus verb after your adjective. If it makes sense, use to. Too hot to drink. Makes sense. Use to. Very hot to drink doesn't make sense. Use very.
Here are practical tips for mastering too and very.
Tip 1. Always ask yourself, am I describing a problem or just making something stronger?
Problem is too. Just stronger is very.
Tip 2. Listen for native speaker usage. Notice when they say to versus very in movies and shows.
Tip 3. Practice the to plus adjective plus to plus verb structure. This makes the problem clear.
Tip 4. Remember that to with positive adjectives sounds strange unless there's truly a problem.
Tip 5. Use very safely when you just want to emphasize. It's harder to misuse them too.
Tip 6. Learn the extreme adjectives that don't take very. Excellent, perfect, terrible, wonderful.
Tip 7. Pay attention to context. To at the end of a sentence means also. To before adjectives means excessive.
Tip 8. Practice both. Create sentences. This is very blank and this is too blank to blank.
Let's create practice exercises.
Choose to or very. This coffee is blank hot. I love it. Answer: very. No problem. Positive.
Choose this coffee is blank hot. I can't drink it yet. Answer: 2. Problem: can't drink.
Choose the movie was blank interesting. I enjoyed it. Answer: very. Positive. No problem.
Choose the movie was blank long. I fell asleep. Answer: 2. Problem: excessive length caused sleeping.
Choose she's blank talented. Answer: very. Positive quality. No problem.
Choose she's blank young to drive. Answer: 2. Problem: age prevents driving.
These exercises help you internalize when to use each word.
Let's do a comprehensive summary of everything.
Very means to a high degree or extremely. It's neutral intensification without suggesting problems.
Use very to make adjectives and adverbs stronger. Very hot, very cold, very good, very bad, very quickly.
Very works with positive, negative, and neutral words. It just amplifies the quality.
To means excessively or more than necessary or desirable. It always implies a problem or negative consequence.
Use to when excess creates a problem. Too hot, can't drink. Too expensive, can't buy. Too difficult, can't do.
Structure to plus adjective to plus verb shows the problem clearly.
Key difference: very is observation or intensification. To is problem or excess.
Very good is extremely good, positive. Too good sounds strange unless you mean problematically good.
Common mistakes using to for positive emphasis, using very when there's a problem. Forgetting to implies negativity.
Memory tricks: to equals trouble. Very is vanilla.
Special note: to at the end of sentences means also, different word entirely.
Before we finish, this is important. Please subscribe to Daily English Conversation.
We create clear, practical lessons every week to help you understand English deeply and speak naturally.
Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Share this with anyone learning English.
Leave us a comment with 2 sentences, one using to and one using very. Practice makes perfect.
Challenge yourself. Today, notice when you want to say something is very or too much. Check if you're using the right one.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope to and very are crystal clear now.
Remember, this small difference changes your entire meaning. Using the wrong word can confuse people completely.
Keep practicing, keep learning, keep improving.
This is Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode.